Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration with my good friend Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating, and we are making DIY Valentine's wreaths. Now I've never done a Valentine's wreath, so this is the first time for me. So let's get started. Now my first wreath, I am just using this wreath form that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have all my deco mesh here in my hot pink, pink, and white, and this is all from the Dollar Tree. I am also going to be using some pipe cleaners in pink and white, and I have some of this ribbon that I ordered from Michael's. And this ribbon here I actually went and got from Michael's. It was on clearance for 70% because it's actually Christmas, but I think it looks great for Valentine's. So this is everything that I'm going to use on the heart wreath. So the first thing that I'm doing is I have just cut my deco mesh into 6-inch pieces, and I'm just going to roll them up. I want to do each color in a bundle, so I'm going to have 3. And then I will be using my pink pipe cleaners to attach them together. Just going to put it here and twist it around a few times. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and make another one. And I'm going to do them differently. I'm not going to do the colors the same way. I'm just going to do them randomly different. So I'm going to make a whole bunch of these. And I also want to make some of these bundles with the ribbon pieces. Okay. Now here are the pieces of ribbon. I cut them at 10 inches and I did the little dovetails on them. And again, I'm going to do the same thing where I'm just randomly placing them on top of each other using the white pipe cleaners. Going to attach them together with it and just twist a few times. And do another one. So I'm going to get a bunch of these made up, and then I'm going to start putting them on my heart wreath form. Okay, so here I've put a couple of the deco mesh on here and one of the ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 more. And I'm just alternating the deco mesh. As you can see, you have like 2 separate areas that you can put it on here. I'm just going back and forth, and I will alternate with the ribbons too. Just going to twist it on the back. I'm not going to make it pretty on the back because no one's going to see it. Okay, and let's put another piece on here. So what I like to do is just take the pipe cleaners and twist them a couple times around each of the pieces of wire, and then twist them together and just kind of tuck them in. Just going to keep twisting, and sometimes I actually twist the other ones together. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding another one of the ribbon bundles. And like I said, I'm alternating how these go. So this one's going to go on the more of the inside of the heart, where the other one was on the outside edge. Again, doing the same thing. Just doing a few twists. Like that. And then twist it all together. And you can do yours any way that you want to. This is just the way that I do it. These are just for me, so I don't really care what they look like on the back. Okay, then I want to like crunch the ribbons here since they're wired. All right, I'm going to finish it up and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Got it all done. Have to keep kind of playing with it to keep it in to look like a heart because I kind of want to look like a circle. Okay, so you know, I had an idea with these. These two things are from the Dollar Tree. And when I originally saw these and the heart wreath form, I thought, oh, this would look so cute to have one of them behind it, but you know, you can't really see this that well because of all the ribbon and deco mesh. But it is an idea if you can do it differently. Of course, it gets attached there. So, but it does look cute having that. So if you could find something smaller, you know, that you could put inside, that would be really cute. Okay, so now I want to add a few picks in here that I got. Now, I've had these picks, I'm not even sure where I got them from. And I'm just going to tuck them in a few spots here. Put one over here. I'm just using 3. I'm going to bend it a little bit. I want to go down a little bit further. And I think I put one over here. I'm going to bend it. Try to tuck it in. Okay. And one more, I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Whoops, I have to play. This one's not in there right. Let's move it one more time. There we go. Okay, I think I like it right there. And again, I gotta get that heart shape on here. All right, I'm gonna show you what I want to put this on. Here it is. Now, this is not a picture frame. I know it might look like one. This is actually, it was one of those fabric bulletin boards that I got at Home Goods, and it was warped a little bit, so I got it for like $10. And I took that part out. I really like to work with this. And I just attached the other wreath just with some of the pipe cleaners. Now here's an idea that I'm going to use. This is my second one using the same frame. And I'm going to use that Dollar Tree sign. I like these colors. And I have this square form, wreath form that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I only want to use like an L shape. Actually, I'm going to do it as a backwards L shape. I think this will look really nice on here. So I'm going to cut it. Let's see. I don't know how much farther. I'm trying to figure out how far I want to put it. My cut. Okay. All right. Just cut a little bit off here, out on the edge. Cut it here. Just have my wire cutter. Just going to cut it real quickly. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to cut it. Okay. So this is how I'm going to place it on here. I'm going to hang this from here. I have a nail in the back there. I'm going to use the same deco mesh, but I'm not using the white. I'm going to use some red. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and use some white. I think I'm going to use 4 colors. Yeah, we'll do 4. And then I'm going to use this ribbon. This is another one that I ordered from Michaels because I like the pink in it. And then I'm going to continue with these other 2 that I used previously. Okay. I think it'll look really nice together. Okay, so let's get started on this one. And I've gone ahead and made all my bundles just the same way. There's 6 inches on the deco mesh and 10 inches on the ribbon. And I just added a little bit of wire on here so I can have an ending. Or I can attach the pipe cleaners too. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the heart shape. attach them the same way. I like the addition of the red in here. And again, when I put these together, I just randomly grabbed the colors instead of keeping them the same way each time. We'll put another one on. And then I will be putting one of the ribbon bundles on here too. You know, the only thing I don't like about Deco Mesh is that it scratches my hands up. Does anybody else have that problem when they work with it? It's really scratchy. Oh, actually, you know what? I decided to only put 3 of those ribbon bundles in here. So I'm just going to continue on doing all of the Deco Mesh bundles, and then I'm going to place the 3 ribbon bundles on. And then we're going to see how it looks. Here it is. Now these picks I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use 2 of the red and 2 of the pink. And it actually had a few other pieces attached on there, and I just pulled them off. Because I didn't, you can kind of see them over there on the right upper corner laying there. I'm going to put a pink one here on this side of the ribbon cluster, and I'm going to put another pink one on this side. And then the end, we'll get another red one. Okay, there, I think that looks kind of cute. Okay, so this is how I attached it. I just wrapped the pipe cleaners around on there to hold it. And now I'm going to hang this sign. I'm actually going to cut off this piece of ribbon that's on there, and I actually have some of the exact same color that's a little bit skinnier, and that is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I have that attached to the back because I have a little nail on the back of there, and I just tied my ribbon there. And I made a little bundle here that I'm going to put through the hole on the sign because I really don't like this bow, but I did give it some dovetails to it, and I'm just going to attach this because I think it kind of fancies it up just a little bit. All right, so that is my second wreath. Okay, I had a change here. What I figured I would do is I wanted some more of the glitter hearts. So I just took one of those picks, pulled the hearts off, and this is just some floral stems that I have, and they're actually wrapped with a little bit of, I guess it's more like fabric. So I have to cut that little piece off to get it with the scissors. They're a little bit thicker than regular floral stems that are just the dark green wire. And I'm just going to pop these in the holes. And I'm going to, of course, save that piece of that pick because I can always stick these right back on. Okay, so now I'm just going to tuck in these extra hearts. I just think it needed a little bit more of the red glitter to it. And I only had 3 of these picks, the multi ones, so. Okay. Get the last one in. Stuck in there. All right, so now I'm going to hang these on my door, and you get to see what they look like. So here is this one. I think this looks really nice on my front door. The pinks just pop off of the black. A little bit closer look here. Now, you know, I'm not really sure which one I like the best, so I don't know which one is going to go on my front door this year. But you know what? It'd be great if you could give me your vote in the comments down below if you like this one. Get a little bit more close up here. Or if you like the one that's the heart shape. Here it is. Now you might notice that I forgot to say that you might notice something at the very top. It's to cover up the black of my wreath hook. So I just added a little bundle of deco mesh and the ribbon. All right, well, that is going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and I could give you an idea how to do different type of Valentine's wreath. Please be sure to go check out Antoinette's channel. I have the link below because you don't want to miss the wreaths that she did. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.